Hello, it's Roma from Tukitaka Habijabi. Today I'm making a bird feeder with empty small cream container and a plastic bottle. At first, I'm cutting a plastic bottle and taking the middle part to make shade for the bird feeder.
Finding a true love case is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love turns into giving up. I felt hurt love, by the word love. What the hell is love supposed to feel?
I fold the plastic piece in two and making two holes in each side of the shade. I'm making another hole in the top of the shade to hang the bird feeder. Now I'm entering a stick into the shade.
Snow white horse, so call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love kiss is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love turns into giving up. I felt hurt love, by the word love. What the hell is love supposed
Now I'm making two holes in each empty cream container with pin to hang it with a stick.
to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like?
Then I'm joining plastic rope with both container and fixing with the stick.
Disney, they tricked me, no more wishing on a shooting star. I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20 something, I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love case is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love turns into giving up. I felt hurt love, by the word love. What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like?
Carry me away to a castle where we will live happily ever after.
My fairy grandma warned me Cinderella's story only ended in a bad divorce. The prince ain't sleeping when he takes his sleeping beauty to the motel on his snow white horse. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love kiss is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love turns into giving up. I felt hurt love, by the
I'm fixing a rope with top of the shade also to hang the bird feeder.
what the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like? I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, no more wishing on a shooting star. I'm mad at Disney,
Now I'm coloring the bird feeder. I'm using blue paint for the shade and stick and red for both container.
about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love kiss is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad sad love. Sometimes happy love turns into
In the bird feeder, one container for grains and other for water.
got the word love. What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the
Now I'm fixing a small sparrow in the bird feeder just for decoration.
Carry me away to the castle where we will live happily ever after.
my fairy grand
The color is still raw. Better if we fixed all stuff together after it dries. My bird feeder is ready now.
he takes his sleeping beauty.
If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Bye.
If finding a true love's kiss is born, 'cause I felt sad love.